meaning is life changing. Same way we want you to change your life. This is not it. The offers are still there. This is not all what we have at Sanidhya. We know that there are times wherein you might not have time to learn and explore yourself. See, there are times if you are actually, it is something like that, that when the fire, when your house is on fire, then you don't dig up wells. We know that sometimes we have actually crossed our limits and we don't even have time to learn them. So we are here to help you. Don't worry. We know, even I was at that point of time, if somebody would have told me to I would say to learn something and then start practicing on yourself, then probably at that point of time when I started with this spirituality, at that point of time I was not in the correct frame of mind to learn it and to do it. So any person who's suffering from, I would say, because it is my own personal experience, if you are suffering from psychological disorders, so probably learning something and starting to work on yourself will not be the correct thing. I highly recommend to go for the SOS services first, because at that point of time you are not in the correct energies, you are not in the correct frame of mind. So the SOS services we have in Sanidhya is, the first service is healing for physical ailments, second is healings for psychological ailments, third is angelic rituals for desired results in our life, the fourth is healing for pets or animals, then the fifth is 21 days of cleansing of home and area, and sixth is psychic surgery. Now let's look at healing for physical ailment. As we have already understood that our physical body is surrounded by an energy body which is known as aura. So if our energies are balanced and working harmoniously, our physical body will be healthy. However, if there is an increase or deficit in our energy body, it results in the physical ailment. So if these energy disturbances can be corrected, if they are eradicated and filled with the correct form of energy, the physical ailments will also vanish. So, this is the whole basis wherein the energy based modalities work, that they just correct the energies, and same way the physical body, physical ailments also gets corrected. However, there is also a holistic point of view involved, which if you are undergoing HRFMS workshop, you will come to know that how your thought process, belief, and programming affects physical body. So the beauty of healing systems is that actually these energies work holistically on you. So if you are having any physical ailment and there is a corresponding belief pattern, so the energy healings will actually work holistically on you, and even those patterns will be removed. So that's how it works, and that is the healings for the physical ailments. If we look at the psychological ailments, whether it is stress, anxiety, trauma, suicidal tendencies, I suffer from that, irritability, grief, hysteria, phobias, obsession, addiction, paranoid behavior, whatever these are, all this is because of psychic energies working on your energy fields. Which one enters, they are very difficult to be taken out without external support. But however, by taking the help of these energy modalities, they can easily be taken out from your energy bodies, resulting in a very healthy physical body. So same way, if you are suffering from any psychological disorders, you can apply for the healings, and the healers from Sanidhya will give you healings for psychological ailments. Now healings for pets. See, like humans, animals also have energy bodies. So discomfort in their energy bodies results in ailment. The same way as the humans, if the disturbance in their energy body is cleared, it can result in their well-being. Whether it's a bird, a reptile, fish, insect, mammal, healing can be given to everyone. Now the angelic rituals for desired results. See, angels, we have already told when I was explaining you about the spiritual realm in the Dragon's workshop. So angels are also from the angelic realm, and they are loving energy beings which are available to humans for helping them for the highest good. But sometimes everyone has not the cannot connect to them. So at Sanidhya, we have certain rituals which can be done on behalf of other person in order to get desired results in their life. So if you have any of them, these are some of them, but you can discuss it with our support team. They will tell you that what exactly problem you have, and they will be able to guide you that whether the angelic rituals are available or not. We have certain rituals which can help you to get the desired results in your life. 21 days cleansing of area. Have you noticed that sometimes, due to sometimes when you visit a place, that certain place, and you are already feeling burdened, lethargic, so how this happens? This all happens because of the negative energy in that area. So because of various reasons, it can be reasons can be various. Sometimes the energy at our house, office, or some property gets infected. So with a procedure of 21 days cleansing of any area, the energy can be transmuted and raised to higher vibrations for better results. If you take the example of Feng Shui, Vastu Shastra, aromatherapy, these all work on the same principle, that is making some area conducive for higher frequency of energy. So what happens is, if you think that you need to decongest your area or decongest your house or your office, you can apply for this. The healers from Sanidhya will give a 21 days cleansing of your home or area, and you can see remarkable difference in the energies at your house, at your office, or at your property. And good energies attract health, happiness, spirituality, prosperity, and abundance. Now, psychic surgery. See, there are various reasons, circumstances that certain thought patterns and beliefs get stuck in the minds of the people. And these stagnant thoughts actually result in disharmonious relations and discomfort in our lives. So, by the process of psychic surgery, such stagnant thoughts can easily be taken out and they can safely be transmuted to good thoughts, resulting in harmonious relations and better life. This happens that just because of a problematic thought process, somebody is not behaving in the correct manner. But however, if we use psychic surgery methods, that particular thought process can be eradicated from somebody's mind. So, if you approach for this, the healers from Sanidhya will actually work in eradication of bad thought process and filling it with the loving and peaceful thought process that will result in harmonious relationships. Now the prices for the SOS services, the energy exchange for healing for physical, psychological, emotional issues, healing for pets or psychic surgery is actually 1000 rupees per session. And I would also recommend to look for such healing sessions in the foreign. You will come to know that these are peanuts in front of those charges. So in India, probably you might find it pretty expensive, but if you are from foreign, you please check it in your country. You will be amazed to see the energy exchange in your country. But however, as an introductory offer, or if you are a member of Sanidhya, we are giving it just at rupees 500 per session. But however, if you are applying for physical or psychological ailments, there is a rule in Sanidhya that for minimum of 21 days we give healings, because in Sanidhya, with our own experience, we have realized that till the time a person is not given 21 days of healing, that person does not undergo, I would say, the it will he or she will not undergo the correct energy change. So this this is minimum, that if you are applying for physical, psychological, emotional issues or psychic surgery or healing for your pets, 21 days is a must. Now angelic rituals, the rituals are done for uh, for for 51 days altogether. So the healers from Sanithe will actually devote their time for exactly 51 days. And these rituals are done in such a manner that not even a single day is left. There are various things which are supposed to be done. Lights are being done. I would say tea light candles are being lighted up. There certain card work has to be done. So all that work is being taken by the healers at Sanithe. If they by chance forget one day, they again have to start from the day one. So, but if you have applied for these healings, the healers don't charge you for whatever mistake they have done. They all charge you is 30,000 rupees for 51 days. But however, as an introductory offer, it is a 50% off right now. That if you want certain ritual to be done from the healers of Sanidhya, it is only 15,000 rupees for 51 days. Can you see? It is a palindrome, that 1551 for 15,000 rupees only for 51 days of healing to you. Now, energy cleansing of your house, office, or property, only a maximum of 5 rooms can be included. If you want to add additional rooms, it will be charged. So, for a duration of 21 days, 20,000 rupees. the energies will be sent to those places. You just need to send the video and the photographs of your house and or the office or your property, and the healers from the Sanitya will be sending the energy, will be doing the energy cleansing for 21 days altogether. However, as an introductory offer, it is only 10,000 rupees for a duration of 21 days. You will not get this offer anywhere else. So that's all from Sanidhya in the foundation course. I hope you bring the same change we brought in our lives, and I hope you all the best for all your endeavors in your life. May you and your loved ones get be blessed with health, happiness, spirituality, prosperity, and abundance. May you use such techniques in your life, and may your life change for your highest good and greatest joy. That's all from Sanidhya and Team Sanidhya. I say thank you to you. Thank you.